welcome contestants to the next thrilling challenge of BFDI Revamped Nature Edition. Today, we are diving into the world of creativity and nature. Your task is to create a nature-themed commercial that showcases the beauty of this park and explore the opportunity to combine my technical skills with the splendor of nature. Each team will have the chance to create their own commercial. You would be provided by cameras, props, and the entire park as your set. Let your creativity run wild. I guess nature's not on my side today.
Together, we unveil the secrets of the earth, seeking the wisdom hidden. I can't believe we captured all of that.
It's all part of the adventure, even the funny mishaps. Now it's time to reveal the final commercials. Let's watch. In a world filled with bustling chaos, there's one friend that reminds us to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. Nature, a masterpiece of design and tranquility. And together, we became true allies of nature. Nature's Allies, where every moment is a journey of discovery and every creature is a friend. Join us on this adventure as we stand together to protect and cherish our natural world. Next up, Adventurous Spirits with the Land of Endless Adventure.
Welcome to the land of endless adventure.
Here, every moment is an opportunity to embrace the thrill of the wild. We scale the heights of the unknown, fueled by curiosity and courage.
With every step, we discover nature's hidden treasures.
We are the adventurous spirits, seeking the extraordinary in every corner of nature.
Join us in this journey of endless exploration.
Yeah, that was interesting. Explorer, maybe your screaming on top of a mountain idea wasn't so bad.
See, I told you. I told you it was art. It describes nature and every interpretation of that word.
Next up, the Earth Defenders. Come on, we forgot to tell Noelle the title of our commercial. Let's just go with
Rock salty.
Don't You Dare. So your commercial is Don't You Dare. In a world that's ever changing, there are those who stand firm. We embrace the spirit of resilience, for in unity we find strength.
With every sweep and every action, we honor the sanctity of nature. Every element, every stone is a part of
Pebble, shut your mouth.
Together, we unveil the secrets of the earth, seeking the wisdom hidden within.
Pebble, if you open your mouth again, I swear I'm going to... Oh, sorry. Join us as we stand as Earth Defenders, preserving the world's fragile beauty. Okay. Well, Watermelon, it's time to reveal the elimination results. There were a total of 4 votes. The first vote goes to Pencil. Oh. The second vote also goes to Pencil. The third vote goes to FIRY. And the fourth and final vote goes to FIRY. With 2 votes each for Pencil and FIRY, it's time for me to make the decision. I have decided to eliminate. I'm the team leader, so you can't possibly vote me. Pencil. What? Well, it's been a pleasure, team. keep the spirit of nature's allies alive. Wow, this hotel looks so nice. Like I could decorate my own room and add a calendar here or a plant here or whatever. BFDI Revamped Nature Edition.
I just wanted to say.
Hey, Caddy Caterpillar.